In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Xero password in 2025. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need to update it for security reasons, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth transition to accessing your Xero account with a new password. The process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Xero login page. You can find this at login.xero.com. Once there, take a look at the bottom of the login section. You should see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to begin the password reset process. This link will guide you towards retrieving access to your account and setting a new secure password. Next, you'll need to enter the email address that's associated with your Xero account. It's important that this email is one that you still have access to because Xero will send a reset link to this address. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on Send Link. This action sends an email containing a reset link directly to your inbox. After you've clicked Send Link, open your email application, look for an email from Xero with instructions on resetting your password. If it doesn't appear in your main inbox within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk email folders, as sometimes these emails can be mistakenly filtered as spam. Inside the email, you'll find a button or link to reset your password. Keep in mind that this link is time sensitive, so you'll need to click on it promptly to continue the process. The reset link will redirect you to a page where you can create a new password for your Xero account. When choosing a new password, it's a good idea to ensure it meets Xero's security requirements. Typically, this means that your password should be at least 8 characters long, and it should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password is essential to protect your account from unauthorized access. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Once you feel confident with your selection, click on Reset Password. With your new password in place, head back to the Xero login page, enter your email and the newly created password to access your account. Remember, if you've set up multi-factor authentication, you will also need your authentication code to successfully log in. By following these steps, you've now reset your Xero password, ensuring your account remains secure and accessible. This quick process not only helps regain access when needed, but also reinforces good security practices. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.